Sometimes a lot of us get so holy and spiritual that we are lost in doing the nafil things and we miss the wajib things. Like I say that about people. Sometimes we wake all night, we come to Jummah, and instead of being awake during the khutbah, we're sleeping. So when to sleep, we're awake, and when to awake, we're asleep. That does not make us more spiritual. You see, doing what is right according to Fardh, Waajib, Sunnah, and Nafil, that is what makes us more spiritual. You see, it's not what we want to do. It's not what people do in Arabia and Pakistan and Africa. It's what the Prophet ﷺ taught us from the Quran. And I don't want to sound so harsh, but you know, we see this thing all through Ramadan and all through the year. A lot of times people get lost into the Nafil things. And when it's Jummah, which is Fardh and Wajib, we are asleep. Some people miss Jummah Salah and say, Sheikh, I was busy reading Nafil all night. I'm like, idiot. There is something called Quran, Sunnah, Fardh, Wajib. You don't wake all night doing Nafil and miss Jummah. What is that? We have failed to understand Islam. Why do you think Allah speaks about Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr? Allah used the greatest night to reveal the greatest book, to teach us knowledge, to put some sense in our brains. And this happens in the very emotional world. Because we get a little very over-emotional and we miss the laws of the Sharia of Islam. So I want to remind myself and remind you of that because before we get off track.